Go get the toy.
This is how much she will not go in the kitchen. And in the background, you can hear Benson. Wait, is she going? She's going. No, she's not going. Go get the toy!
Go get it.
She just does not like the kitchen.
Get the toy. Go get it.
And listen to Benson. This is the reason why when the dogs are integrated, there will be no toys. Because, oh, she's going around. Look, she went around the other side. Oh. Do it again, Jay. Good girl.
Ready? Go get it. Go get it.
Listen to Benson.
Go get it.
It's not even Benson's toy. Come on, girl. You can do it. You can do it. Yay! Oh, she goes around the other side, so she doesn't have to.
Girl.
Come here. Come here.
Get your toy.
Yay!
Good
Yay!